Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're having trouble using your camera with websites in the Firefox browser on your mobile phone, this video is for you. I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply so you can enable camera access in Firefox Mobile. First, open the Firefox browser app on your mobile device. Next, tap the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Now, tap on Camera from the list of permissions. You will see two options. Choose Ask to allow to get a prompt each time a website requests camera access. Exit the settings, and you're all set. The next time a site needs your camera, Firefox will ask you for permission. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you fix the issue, feel free to subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching,